TC, and we're getting ready to go wash the bike, and it's going to be tons of fun. You saw the bike already and everything, and should have a pretty fun day today. How many freaking quarters are you putting in there?
Fucking all of them.
Search one and done.
Bitch is clean. Alright, here's our idea. Bicycle, pool noodles, tape, and a trampoline. I'm gonna practice my freestyle real quick because I've decided that I'm gonna go pro. I'm not gonna go to college anymore. So for the best. This is fun. Probably look stupid on video, but I'm having a blast. Oh!
Look at the tornado harsh. Look at all the twisted.
I'm doing a front flip.
Also, I really don't care to take it off. That thing's never been.
What happened?
My hand.
I got it all on tape, bro, so you're alright. I got it.
Yeah, we got some duct tape. We can fix it.
Hey, don't worry about it. I got it.
Never doing that again. Front flip is a no-go on the bike. Oh, fuck, that's hard.
Or having a trampoline and jumping it off of it into the water, but. Woo! Oh my god.
How do people just fucking do this? Got the damn moped out. I don't even know what the fuck's going on right now. We're just nutting around. So what is this thing, like 400 horsepower?
Wouldn't freaking doubt it.
We got the old 80s helmet that my brother got. Gnarly as shit. Throw her on, give her a spin.
This thing's heavy as shit.
We're ready to go, boys. Just got my YZ all cleaned up and ready to ride. Just warmed up the 450, but it's too loud for the neighborhood. Come here, Tank. It's my dog, Tank. You'll see him in videos. Now my little brother's gonna ride the moped. Give her the beans. Feed her the corn.
Don't hit the dog.
We're for real dumber than a box of rocks. This is what happens when you don't start work until next week and you got nothing better to do. I don't even know. Send it! Send it! Jackson!
Send it.
Send it! He's homesick today.
You go in if you homesick. I'll tell you.
I told him we do this every day and he got mad. That wasn't as exciting as I thought it would be.
Well, hey, it happens. It's only a 49cc. What can you say?
Hey, at least my truck is clean. Look at that. She's got her all buffed out. Don't mind the dents. My fucking wheels are still dirty, but she's clean enough. Inside's looking decent.
Can I get mine right now?
Aren't you supposed to be sick?
I'm supposed to be sick.
Soldier down!
Fucking bent it too hard. That's what fucking used. Hey, I got out of the pickup.
Faster! You gotta build up speed before you hit it.
Go down it!
He's gotta get up it first.
Well, you can push it up. Oh my god.
Good enough. Good enough.
I'm gonna put it right before it down. No, I'm gonna do it right there. Alright.
Alright. She's not sharp enough, I tell you what. That was a clean ass cut.
Where's that?
Alright, now put her back on
I
there.
don't know how to put it back on.
Put it back on there.
You bolted